Hey folks, cooking with Kelbob here in my ordinary kitchen with produce from my ordinary grocery store. And today, you leave that alone. Sherman. And today we're gonna teach you how to make a favorite. This is called London Broil. Now think about this. If you're gonna have guests over for dinner, would you say, hey, come on over, we're fitting to put a good scald on some chicken, throw some dogs on the grill? Or would you like to come over for some London Broil? I just love the name London Broil. And London Broil is nothing more than a marinade that we're going to take an inexpensive cut of meat. In this case, I'm going to use a top round, and we're going to just marinate it. And I'm going to teach you how to make the marinade. Just take 5 minutes. 5 minutes to learn how to do a London Broil, and you're going to cut it across the grain in slices. Folks, you're going to love it. But of course, along with me is my ordinary grill dog, Sherman. Good boy, good boy, good boy. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. And of course, everybody should have a grill dog, because when you drop food on the floor, you don't have to bend over to pick it up. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to wash our hands, because we always wash our hands when we cook. And so now I'm going to mix this simple marinade. I'm going to start with 3/4 cups of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. How do you spell that? Worcestershire sauce. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I think everybody. 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. 2 teaspoons of fresh garlic, or really about just 1 clove of chopped minced garlic. 1 teaspoon of minced fresh ginger. We're not using our ginger from Thailand. 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, my favorite vegetable. And then I want to really stir my liquid well. This marinade, ooh, smells good. So I've got my London Broil, and what I did was I poured my marinade in my 2-gallon bag, and I've had it in the fridge about 4 hours is what you're going to want, 4 to 24 hours. And you know, the thing about London Broil is, first of all, a lot of people think it's the cut of meat. The London Broil is simply the marinade, and it's really meant for just the way we're going to marinate it and the way we're going to cut it against the grain in strips. So London Broil is not a cut of meat, and it is not anything to do with England. It's actually a North American term. I learned that at chef school or Google. So what I'm going to do is I've got to let it rest for 20 minutes. And really, you always want to let meat rest and get it room temperature before you put it on the grill or in the broiler. In this case, I'm going to grill tonight. So there's what it looks like, top round. It's marinated for 4 hours, and I did put a little salt and pepper on it, and I let it stand. And it's never not grill season, right? What do you think, grill dog? Is it grill season? Huh? Is it grill season? Yep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on a super hot grill, super hot grill. And I've had this grill heating for 20 minutes, and I'm going to go about 8 minutes aside. Grill lid shut. So we took it off our super hot grill, and oh my gosh, folks, oh my gosh, Sherman, You're gonna love it. Look at this, look at this. Look at that, oh my gosh. That's a London broil. Let's get it in the house and slice it. Come on. Yeah, we're gonna get this dude sliced up. Oh folks, oh my gosh, ooh, ooh. So now comes the moment of truth. And we're gonna just cut this against the grain in slices. London broil, again, not the cut of meat, simply the marinade style and the way we slice it thin. Looks like we got it done, medium, just the way my family likes it. Again, folks, this is it. London broil. This cut of meat was $10, right? So if you're gonna invite people over, you know, and you just put a good scald on some chicken or throw some dogs on the grill, serve London broil, very inexpensive. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is so good. Oh my gosh. Jenny's made some rolls. We're going to have homemade rolls. We got French fries in the oven. Folks, you have got to try London broil. And if you're lucky enough to get some of Mrs. Jenny's homemade rolls to go with it, that's a bonus. Oh, Sherman, you got to try this. You got to try some of this. Come here. Oh yeah, London broil. Oh my gosh. For Grill Dog Sherman, cooking with Kelbob. Out.